William Shakespeare once said, "Be not afraid of greatness." Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. Love thyself, as the course of true love never did run smooth. Time. It is the only thing that keeps moving forward and doesn't stop. What do people do with the time that they are given? Do people choose to let it pass them by? Do people choose to plan their path? For me, most of life can be quite routine. But every day is a reset. I choose to live for others as much as I live for myself. I plan small goals every day to score bigger goals for the future. After all, there's no greater satisfaction than knowing that you are doing something that people don't expect you to do. Don't restrict yourself to your comfort zone, because the uncomfortable is what makes you grow. With the time I have, I choose to achieve more and live out my own version of greatness. I make time for the things worth living for, and I'm not done yet.